Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a golden khaki brown smoky eye. We'll see where it goes. I've just got my under eye pads. I'll link them down in the description because I can't remember what they're called. They're from Peter Thomas Roth, but I keep them in the fridge. They're incredible. So I'm going to keep these on whilst I do my makeup, keep my under eyes lovely and hydrated. So I'm just going to start with my eyes and I'm going to put a little bit of the MAC 24-hour extended eye base on. And I'm going to start my makeup a little bit different today. I'm going to start with a eyeliner. This one is from NYX and it is in the colour Golden Olive, and I'm just going to line the top lash line. So you don't have to be too neat because we've not got anything there to smudge. And then I'm going to take a MAC 239 brush and I'm just going to smudge this. You can kind of create the shape of the eye makeup that you want to go down. And I'm going to do that process again. Just going to take a bit up into the crease as well. This product actually dries really quickly, so I think I recommend doing one eye at a time. What's lovely is now when we put shadow on, it's got something to really grip to. We've already got that depth and lovely smokiness there. So on this huge fluffy brush, this is a Morphe JH30 brush, and this Inglot eyeshadow in the colour Sienna. I'm just going to pop this in my crease, so up here. Big circle motions when there's nothing left on the brush. We're taking it on this inner corner as well. The next colour I'm going into is quite similar to the pencil that we used. This is another Inglot one in the colour Olive. And I'm going to take that on the MAC 217 little brush that we blended out the liner with. And this we're going to put on the outer corner. So we're going to start here and then we're going to take it into the crease. Really starting to get some nice depth. And then I'm just going to take this fluffy brush, just soften everything. Taking the Urban Decay Naked Basics palette, I'm just going to take this matte colour Foxy. So on a teeny tiny Morphe brush, and I'm just going to highlight the brow bone. So just taking away any of that orange that's gone too high. Just softens it that tiniest little bit. So now is time for the exciting bit. I'm going to take some of the NYX glitter glue or glitter primer on the back of my hand. Then I'm going to take a teeny tiny brush that looks like this, and this is a MAC 228. And you're just going to put this where you want the glitter to go. So I want to avoid the liner that I've done and just kind of put it, wants to go on this inner corner to the middle is where I want the glitter, I think. Same on this side. So you can apply glitter without anything, but I personally think that glitter will just generally fall onto your face throughout the day. So it's worth it for me just to put something down just to grip it. And the same brush, I'm going to take one of my pigments. I'm going to take MAC Antique Gold, which just you wait, it is stunning. It's beautiful. And scoop some of that out. I'm using the same brush because it'll be a little bit tacky. Just going to put it exactly where I want it. And just kind of feathering it out across the lid like that. Is that not just the most beautiful pigment ever? And the same on the other side. That is with the glitter on. I personally feel like, oh, bit squeaky, I personally feel like it's missing some depth now we've got that on. The liner's still there and you can still see the liner. I feel like we need something black. I'm just going to take some of the Kat Von D tattoo liner and I'm going to do this as close to the lashes as possible. So even if you just have to do little strokes, I want it to be like right on top of the lashes and not noticeable at all. I'm just going to take my eye patches off. Let's do some skin. So I'm going to put a really moisturising moisturiser on. This is the Weleda Skin Food in Rich. I'm just going to pop. You really don't need a lot of this. The key is to really warm it up in your hands first. Nice little massage, get the skin nice and plumped up. I always do my forehead last because it needs the least amount of moisture. Pop a little bit of Neod Photography Fluid in capacity 12%. Love this product, it just gives the skin such a gorgeous natural glow. So lovely. The foundation I'm going to use is the NYX Born to Glow in the colour True Beige and Light Ivory. I'm going to use this Morphe JH03 brush. Concealer I'm going to use is the Chanel Le Corrector de Chanel in 20 Beige. I'm going to take quite a lot of this actually. Do put there, up here. Yeah, it's quite a bit of concealer. And then I'm going to beauty blend it in. Just going to take a little bit of the NYX Born to Glow, just down the nose and the chin. A couple of dots there. Going to go in with the Chanel Tan de Chanel and this Morphe brush. This is a JH07. Just going to warm the face up. And then to contour, I'm going to go in with the Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate in number 2 on the same brush. Just going to pop this under the cheekbone. Now I'm just going to take some of the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Powder on a Real Techniques blush brush. Just going to give my face a nice dusting with it. Don't normally powder the cheeks, but if I've used a cream product, I will. Now on the same brush, I'm just going to take some MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in medium tan on the cheeks. Just to really get some warmth into the face. For blusher, I'm going to use MAC Cheeky Bits on a MAC 137 brush. And the highlight I'm going to use is Illamasqua Oh My God on the same brush. So I'm just going to give the skin a spray with the Urban Decay All Nighter. Just let that absorb, and we're going to go and smudge the lower lash line. So I'm going to take the first eyeliner pencil that we used, the Golden Olive, and just pop a little bit of this underneath the eye. I'm going to do it one eye at a time actually. This is a MAC pencil brush 219. And then using the 217 that we used on the eyelid, I'm going to take that first shade, the Sienna, a little bit of it, and just run this underneath. Adds a gorgeous smokiness to it. I'm now going to add some mascara and some lashes, and I'll show you what that looks like. So I just ended up sticking some individuals on because I wanted them to still look quite natural. And I also did a little bit of a nude liner on the waterline. So I'm just going to do my brows now. I'm going to use this Maybelline Brow Precise in medium brown, just to brush through them. And then I'm going to use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Ash Brown and just fill any little gaps in. And then I'm just going to take some of the highlighter that we used on a little brush. I'm just going to put some on the inner corner of the eye. Then the tiniest bit under the brow. So I'm going to use a Morphe lip liner. This is in the colour Chippy. Just going to line the lip. Fill the whole lip in actually. And then I'm going to take the Tom Ford lipstick in Blush Nude. Just do a bit of a dab in the middle. And that is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!